say anya hwe Gold Stars enya bibi kra mfim de ebi anka mu 2 points bi betime film no o say ba ne sen na antimi amama enya bibi amfa free sa 2 games nim
when you say technically no one so sure 2 matches na no you may say some key players there after any cheap match no omo nyina ko up and yeah person na mo betin atom that not to say we don't have equally good players that they will fit in their shoes. But we say where the tempo of the game no, I get it to know. You need certain players at a certain point in time. You feel say they can deliver to make sure say we ambition waiting achieve. We came out with some other players built in their shoes, but tactically and technically things couldn't work to perfection for us. And see, yeah, can I say now we had over the weekend we are not playing. The following week league match, the rebel against Israel and Ziambo. So we use these 2 weeks to make sure that the players now more often will come. Players like Michael Nkwa, for sure this young chapa, season the 30th was not peak when you're in form, and for him going out for about 6 games, they are hard team, another player, Takumi, on also call off before anybody came the when he came back, still on your foot pitch. And also I started a game against the goalkeeper, Emmanuel Kobe, then you knock. I'm on for that reason, he carry a game, so what we make it to come. And it's part of the game. So once that happens, what do you have to do? Antidote to those challenges so that going forward, we can grab the point here to keep our missions alive.
Sami meet na we can say yes with 2 games no more intimi and shade but still no the target is to win the Ghana Premier League and me sure games na kana yes instructed there we be nya work over intimi mo yes game no mu ye no free ho a game against Asante Kotoko Moboko away to Brekum Chelsea na mo last game atena baby ani abo Lions. But sir, only ni padu don na din komo mu feel say baby ani Gold Stars mu betimi agi league ni pa ne pompon so no be gina mo ne Kotoko game a mobobo awo dance park no sa game ni preparation to say na musi abobo amofo mo ne Kotoko no because in short say dem mo.
Yes, that will be the game of our life if only want to win the Premier League. So another can be say we don't have to be in a haste. We have to calm down and make sure that you're by your preparation towards that game. No. When you are playing against Kotoko, who have seen it all in the league, they have nothing to lose because Kotoko is Kotoko. And so we as a team, Gold Stars, have to strategize and make sure that we are both against Kotoko. What should be the mentality? Because we want to win the league. If we want to win the league, then it means we should go all out and make sure that faithful we will do all that we can to put the balls into the net. When we're able to put the balls into the net, now your ball is really hard. That would tell us that so we are in for the league. A very, very difficult meaning because them no kind where Kotoko recently most of performance hasn't been a few. So playing against them that will be any dance park. It's very, very difficult. But trust me, to say the American where team doctors now we met them 2 years ago and the Juma to make sure that they work around to bring those players back. And in case it's not 4 house, they are both against Kotoko. Even though the game will be difficult, but trust me, we will do our best to make sure that game we need to make our supporters happy because our supporters were very disappointed in our last game against Karela, and we cannot afford to disappoint them again at the same venue that will be any dance back. So it means we have to do a lot of work. If only we want to beat Kotoko, then we should work around and make sure that some of the players will get back, will get a full house to beat Kotoko.
Only 2 questions be say me busa. First one no say yebo league na say league ne gye no ewo wa won nsemo a na amane bo no different kakra ba say oni me be ya adwen say league ne gye no eni mu nko amon nsem samu wi ni mu matches nyina akra na say nations will have to lose some games and sana baby any motimi aje league no sa league ni destiny na e wo mo ankasa mo nsem na mo lose no psychologically no e dey na mo ye to the team say na be ya mo break it down kra to the final games na aka e wo manim say osamo bono.
Sure, I mean, football, no, we play with psyche, and to tell you all kind of, okay, from the start of the league, the last time I near that first, was the 7th time within the season, a single season, about that top. Climbing from top to down, from second to third, within the season, I happened to us before. By the two, we told them, we are still in the competition. Once from the onset, we have the mindset, as I say, compete for the ultimate, We don't have to leave any stone unturned. We should still forge ahead and make sure that the big team meets our target, And lo and behold, we came back to be at the top. Now, when we have gotten to a critical moment, I have lose in the home for the first time in the season. So psychologically, we know that players, sector team, they will be down for that reason. Then as that is why from yesterday in the morning, in the evening, we met the team, we met the technical team differently. Look, it's part of the game. Once you're able to go and someone, we're having the destiny to say the outside, but and then destiny here. But now you say your match against Karela, I will be an ability, and I have done it. But what do you have to do? You put it aside, you come back, you do your corrections, make sure that the other games, or the subsequent ones, you're able to grab the point. Fine, let me go now, Osha, Lake, destiny about the share nations for themselves. Who knows? It was with us. Formerly, it wasn't with us. It came to us. They are common with them. And to be able to say, let's concentrate, let's focus on your matches. Make sure that the required points will move. Then what happened next year? That will be discussed in the future. What has happened? We cannot get back again. So let's forget it. Let's move forward and make sure that the subsequent matches, when you have good results of games.
Oh, okay. So my last question, and it's more follow league na send you are even able to tell us the number of weeks I'm at that top and the number of weeks I must spend among that top. It means mathematically move follow league nipa. So realistically, number of games are aka any baby amodano. Realistically, in terms of percentage, mujiri se mo was saying some of it me at GDC league
I am very, very competitive. And for that reason, want me and which let's get focused. We have 3 matches to play aside in Swaziland, If you're able to win those matches, definitely football there. Say Obi call away, I could win Obi call home, I could win in there. Future and the better. But then Osha first Nanka, before Sunday game, Nanka 100% with that first and But losing against Carrera, now my percentage not here. But I will still tell you that we still have the edge to win the league. Percentage wise, I will not give our team less than 95%.
Say 95.
Yes.
So not less than 95%.
Oh, okay. I understand. Say, I'm destiny she dem krom. But on say, I'm more game against Instructorman. I'm on 3 points. There's all nations and then Kotoko.
Don't be this weekend.
Don't be this weekend.
And I said the next weekend.
This weekend, yes. And the next GPL. I'm going to say, imagine 3 points. Into the Akania, most of more to me answer the no, I start take over.
But Rich, you see, who compare almost 2 nations in Suswa? Who show more games no more bona? Kotoko fear. And so my Karela Besha fear. Kotoko Nsuroso Mbaba.
Sammy?
Yeah, the Ayala. Yeah, Yeah, come to do the possibility. Okay, you have to put firstly. No, we are the best out of it. But we're able to see your grounds be on man. Yes, so no, we went to beat Bass at the Holy Stars. That was the man. It's not an easy task. You continue to be a poor fall, a bit of board. What we have said, you only have to get focused with the rest of the match stacker. And okay, good stars are any nations I can want to know. You ensure your home matches, you know. You ensure will be a home performance. You ensure will be a performance.
Okay. Sammy.
And good stars, you lose against Nhyira. I the first time I lose you home this season. Yet the NSA, we are not doing comparison, but then we should make sure that your subsequent matches, you know, you make me reading. What happened there? I know it's a certain Richard Ukano. You know, you need to the next game, no. This weekend, FA Cup. The following week, you know, I late. Yeah, 3 points, you know. So we are waiting for the ability in those 2 games to re-strategize to know how we are moving.
Okay. Sammy, that's a power for your time and pay.
When you say no.
Okay. The other, Metias is here, and I'm calculation B.